Now that you heard our strategy, you've heard what we feel about Sprint, what our research has shown. We're going to go into a little bit of what we learned and what we've contributed to the project.
I learned that Sprint has a lot of distinctive advantages and a lot of distinctive disadvantages to their competitors. But one thing I've learned about Sprint is that they are quality leaders in their field, and they like to come out with the best technology possible.
This project helped me to learn all of the many implementations and factors that go into an external factor evaluation, and just how to rate and weight each of these factors separately.
This project I worked with SWOT analysis and value chain analysis, and it helped me to understand a little bit how companies do to analyze the market, their advantages with the competitors, their disadvantages, and how they fix that.
Overall, this project has shown to me that the industry is very saturated and it's very hard to enter. Also, that Sprint's industry is full of competitors such as Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. They are competing for market share because all the customers are already in the industry.
I dealt with the financial analysis and the ratio analysis of this project, and I learned a lot about how in the industry, especially Verizon and AT&T, were the much bigger companies, so they have a lot more diversification. So their ratios might have been a little skewed off from T-Mobile and Sprint, which are much smaller companies. Through this project, I learned that there are a lot of aspects of business that come together to creating a good strategy based on the internal and external evaluations.
And I learned a whole lot about the industry that I really had no knowledge of prior. I didn't know anything other than that I have a Verizon phone. Obviously, maybe I'm switching to Sprint now because I think their strategy is very good, and they're a differentiator, and their technological advances are prominently displayed within all of the research that we've done. And I'd like to give a shout out to Zach and Ricky for doing a great job with editing these videos, and also to the rest of the team for doing a great job.